Hey guys, what's up and hi and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know my face, my name is Siana, and as you can tell by the title of this video, this is my dorm tour. Tonight will be my 6th night staying in my dorm. My dorm wasn't done until sometime Saturday night, which is why the dorm tour is coming, I guess, kind of late-ish, but that's fine because better late than never. So far, my first impression of Valdosta is it's very Florida-y, very rainy, because it's rained every day since we've been here, and I got down here Wednesday. I thought I heard somebody coming into my room. That wasn't Maddie, and I high-key just had a heart attack. So, for starters, I have private housing. I'll put a picture of what it looks like, the layout of it, on the screen, but so essentially it's like I have a suite mate rather than a roommate, but I still refer to her as my roommate because the suites have like 4 people in it rather than 2 people. So it would have been 4 girls to 1 bathroom, and we were like, God no. But I did request my roommate. We met each other through the Facebook VSU page. I reached out to her, and yeah, the rest of it's just history. But I'm pretty sure she's out of class right now. My first class isn't until 11 and it's 9:51. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. When you first come in to the right, there's a light switch here. It pretty much just controls this light right here. We always leave that light over there above the mirror on because it's dark as especially with our doors closed. Right here on the bottom right are these 2 little like seating thingies. My mom got these from Target. I'm pretty sure. I don't know how much they costed, but if I can find them, I will link it down below. This table, I have no idea where she got it from. I think Target as well. This is my coffee. And this is our like Keurig station thing. Down there, I just keep my Dunkin' coffee. I have tea in my room. And then there's cups, like paper cups in there. Sugar, tea, hot chocolate. And more coffee. I think that's Maddie's, the kind that she goes to, more plastic paper cups. You have these plates, these bowls. These are our mugs. I keep a spoon in mine obviously because I stir sugar. Our jug of water that we use to put into the Keurig so we don't use the tap water. Microwave. A trash can. Yeah, good stuff. This is the thermostat. We have like our sink area thing. We each have like 2 like medicine cabinets. This one I just keep my face wash, my perfume, and face mask, toothbrush and stuff in there. And then I'm not gonna show you hers because that's her side obviously. Then we have a soap, Bath and Body Works, her my spin brush thingy, paper towels, tissues. This is like a drying rag. I think this is really supposed to be used on our dishes, but I've been using it with my hands, so I don't know. Then that's her stuff. This is her side as well. And then in our cabinet, we have like a lot of stuff actually. So down here we have like extra tampons, bunch of cleaning stuff, bags, first aid kit, more cleaning stuff. This rag's gonna get washed. I used it to wipe up the floor the other day when it was raining really hard and we attracted a lot of water. Bunch of toothpaste, dish soap to clean our dishes, air spray for the bathroom, and then a bunch of soaps. And then in this drawer, this is where she keeps like most of her hair products, and then I keep my makeup wipes in here. And then this rug is from Kohl's. It was like $8, but I caught it on sale. And then to the right, it's just the bathroom. When you come in and you turn on the light, it makes this really loud sound, so it's the vent. This rug is from IKEA. This shower curtain is from IKEA. The shower liner came with the room, but the rings, we had to go out and buy some because the shower, we don't like the rings that came with it. And the shower caddy is from IKEA. That's my stuff. Her stuff, her stuff, her stuff. And then that is like a bath mat. She got that. I don't know where it's from, but I know my mom got one from like Target or something. This bin, I'm not sure where it came from. I think Maddie brought that in. Maybe Target. We have toilet paper in there. This bin I know came from Target because we have some. as well. And it's just got like I bought tampons, some wipes. I was kidding, I'm drop myself from the toilet. A Glade from Walmart, pads, toilet brush cleaner from IKEA. Yeah, nothing special. These you can find anywhere, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, and then I always forget about this every time I come here. Every day is a fresh start. My mom really wanted something to come above this like seating area because we do sit here occasionally. We've sat here maybe twice, but you know, we just got here, so. Over here is another mirror. Hey bro, I don't know where my mom got this from. She just kind of brought it in and surprised me because she told me I couldn't buy one. So yeah, here's one. Maddie had brought one in, but my mom loves interior design, so she brought one in as well. That's Maddie's room. She has the M. My mom gave that to her. I think she got it from like Kirkland's or TJ Maxx or something. These two rugs my mom grabbed when we were at Target. And then this says Everyday Princess on it. It glows in the dark. It was like $5 at Walmart. And usually my door would be locked, but I have it unlocked just because I didn't leave. Come on in. And if you think this isn't staged at all, it definitely is. Okay, so when you first walk in, on the left is this mirror from Walmart. They sell these every year, pretty sure it was like $5, I think. I know where I live in Walmart, I wouldn't have been able to find a really cute pink one like this, so we got this on moving day because the moving people actually broke my mirror. We got store credit from Walmart on it, and they just let us get a new one. So yeah, then I have this pink hamper that my mom got for free when she spent so much money there. I have these lights. I've had these lights for forever, so I have no idea where they came from. Ow, my hand hurts. How do vloggers do this? And then here is the closet. This door is so hard to open. Ugh, and it's really loud, so I hate it. But up here, I just have a hairdryer that my mom got from somewhere for $7. I don't know, she got it when she was in Tennessee. That's the box of my surge protector, just so we can put it back in there when we leave. My ironing board that I got from IKEA. Iron that I'm pretty sure my dad, I don't know where that came from. My mom didn't like it at home, so she gave it to me, and it's new, so. Then I have bleach, water for my iron. That's tap water, so I wouldn't drink it. I drink tap water, just not tap water from the sink that's been being used by who knows how many people. Yeah, this is my dictionary. You guys saw it in my dorm hall. I have cleaning supplies, Tide, more cleaning supplies. And then over here, I just have all my long sleeves that I hung up, pants. We have this like thing that had a hamper, but my mom took it off and folded it up there because you don't really need it. But we have this, and this is where I store my towels. And then up here, I have a fanny pack that I got when I went to my major meeting. Then I have like a skirt. These are all my dresses, my robe, jackets. I got a rain jacket yesterday, extra hangers. And then over here, I have my, whatever this thing is called, you know what it's called, my suitcase, which has another mini suitcase in it and a couple duffel bags in it for move out day. My ukulele case, my cheer bag, and my Swiffer, and my broom. And then the shoe rack came from Target. And I just have my shoes, obviously. These bins my dad got from IKEA, but we ended up not liking it. They really messed up the theme of my room. So we gave one away, kept one in case I find a use for it, and then these are just filled with like extra stuff, and then like cleaning supplies. And then this is my hamper for when I go down to the laundry room, because the laundry room, there is one on the 4th floor, but I can't find it, so I'm just gonna keep going to the 1st floor because I know exactly where it is. And then that's Fall Explosion, where it's essentially just a bunch of stuff they have ready for like get to know you stuff. And then that's the bath mat my mom got. Yeah. Moving on. Oh yeah, here I keep a towel and a washcloth. I use my washcloths on my face rather than on my body. I use loofahs, as you saw in the shower. So I will just take this out and like dry my face with it, and then obviously I use that to cover myself up. But that was the closet. I have this rug that I got from Walmart. Pretty sure it was like $20, but I do love it. Then my bed, I love this whole setup right here. So I'll start with the bed. This blanket is from TJ Maxx. It's a Kate Spade blanket. It was like $15. This comforter I got actually from eBay, but I'm pretty sure When I ordered it, they had said something about Target. If I can find another one like it, I'll link it down below. This pillow I got from Walmart. It says my happy place. This one also came from Walmart. This bed rest pillow thingy, I think it came from Penny's, JCPenney. Yes, it came from JCPenney. We did rub on it to make sure the sparkles didn't come off, but through the night as I'm sleeping, sparkles do come off. I don't know where they're coming from, but I think they're coming from that. My bedding is from Walmart. So yeah. Those flowers, I have no idea where those are from. My mom just brought those in one day while I was out doing freshman stuff. Those flowers, I'm pretty sure she got them from TJ Maxx. The flower picture, I think she got from TJ Maxx. Those roses I got from my Amazon a few years back. This picture frame is from IKEA. It was cracked in the corner when we got here, but I don't really know. My pictures are on here. These lights also flash, so I can show you. But I like them a lot better, just stable. So, and then here I have this hook where my lanyard will be, but since I don't have a lanyard yet, my purse just hangs here. And then I have my TV, which is a Roku. We got it from Walmart. It was like $118, I'm pretty sure. And then I have my Wii U that my mom was like, yeah, we'll just mail it to you. And then my sister came in and surprised me with it with my niece and my nephews. So I have my Wii U stuff. Then we have these cute little sayings here. And I don't know where my mom got these from. I'm not gonna lie to you. Again, this is one of those things she got when I was out doing freshman stuff. And then she just brought it back, so. But I'm thinking it's somewhere like TJ Maxx, Kirkland's, there's a Hobby Lobby, so one of those places. And then this area is by far one of my favorite areas. Those mirrors, they came in a pack of big, little, medium, and we got these from Walmart. They're like $15. So that was quite a deal because I thought they were $40. So we have 2 packs of those with the big, little, medium. My mom just kind of laid them up there. Then down here, I have this little thing, that little thingy, the white thing is from IKEA. I don't know how much it costed. My dad brought it home. And then these bins we actually got from Target. Yes, we got them from Target. Then I just keep, bras, underwear, socks. I keep my bear in here throughout the day because it does kind of mess up the theme of my room. And then pads, tampons, extra pads, all that good stuff. Then my backpack I keep right here. And this is where I charge my AirPods. But usually the cord will be tucked back there so it's not just laying out. And then, this, and then this are all from JCPenney's. They're all scarves actually that we use to lay across these, and they're really cute. But my ukulele is right here. I got this as a Christmas gift years ago. I had this pegboard thing that I got from Hobby Lobby for like $7. It says, "Was that due today?" That was my cousin's idea. I have these frames for my Polaroids with like all people in my life. I have my speaker right there, even though it's not charged. My S right here, I actually got from Wish a few years back, so that's there. These flowers, these sunflowers I got from Walmart. It was like a bundle, and it was like $3, and I had to like cut the stems to make them fit in the vase. The vase I got when my one of my cousins sent me flowers one day because we got into an argument, and I kept the vase from that. These baby breath flowers are from Dollar Tree. And then over here I have this trash can. I think it's kind of cute, kind of cool. It has a lid and everything. That's from IKEA. And then this is the desk that came with the room. Those are my blinds, obviously. And my cousin's on FaceTime. Alicia, that's my cousin. She's at school. You can't hear her because I have my AirPods in. But yeah, my cousin's on FaceTime on the laptop. Then my desk, not too much. This is where I keep like pencils and all that good stuff. Down here, I keep like, that's where all my silverware is, my Wii games, and I think there's more extra containers. Sugar, my bowls and plates, extra stuff. And then over here, my birth control refill, my folders that I'm not gonna be carrying today, my hair tools, my external hard drive, a fanny pack, my conditioner, gum, cards, or index cards, film, all that good stuff. Oh, and there's a box of chapstick back there. This is where I charge my, whatever it's called, my watch, obviously. My Google Home is not set up yet. It's not even plugged in. I can't connect it to the Wi-Fi, so I need to ask my roommate for help. And then this is the lamp. I got it from IKEA. If I lay my phone down on it, it'll charge, and I love that. And it's actually kind of bright, like, look how bright that is. And then my makeup organizer thing. And then over here, I just have my mirror, my Polaroid, and then this says "You Are Loved." I got that as a gift from my one of my coworkers when she came to my grad party. Shout out to you, Sid, if you're watching this. And then over here, this is just where I keep my lotion, deodorant. This water that I sip at night, it's only been there for a day though, so it's fine. This water bottle that they gave me when we first moved in, I just put that there because I didn't want to hold it. And then I have this board. It's like a whiteboard cork board. This is the S that my mom also got me, that she also got Maddie. And then like, that's old, I need to wipe it down. But there's that. And then under my bed, this is my snack drawer slash food drawer. And then my cereals right here. I love Frosted Flakes, if you couldn't tell. These are from Target. And then over here, I just have my thing of water, and then my Powerades that aren't in the fridge yet. I have this stool that I literally need it to get on and off the bed. And then this ottoman, which we got from Target. And in here, it's hard to see obviously because it's really dark. I just have some books that I got yesterday. There's this thing and it said "free books, please take." So I grabbed some that I feel like might have to do with like my major or my minor. So I got some of those. I have a box of tissues. This is like a bunch of tea and hot chocolate. This is my tea for my Keurig, my caboodle where I pack my makeup. I have 2 extra things of sheets, and then I have this rag here, which is just like a drying rag like the one in front of the bathroom. Then over here is another one of those Target thingies, and this one's not as packed as the other one, but this is pretty much where I keep like miscellaneous stuff. So like I have medicines, extra toothbrushes and stuff down here, tape and like makeup wipes, my letters, a bunch of extra stuff for like putting supplies there. Then I have some cleaning rags, extra plugins for my Glade, because I have 2 Glades, more command hooks, medicine, some like shampoos and stuff in case I run out. My nunchucks in here for the Wii. That is pretty much it. I love my room. It's just like home. So, yeah. All right, well, that is it for the dorm tour. It's literally just like home. I love it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and or night, and mwah.